Okay, so in order to install minicore is needed to program the microcontroller onto the board. So to install the minicontroller, open Arduino IDE and go to File Preferences, and you have to copy this code into Preferences. Let me show you how. So open Arduino IDE. So in Arduino IDE, we're going into Files, Preferences, and in Preferences we have to write down the code over here. So we have to copy the code, this code. So we will copy this code, copy, and we will paste it over here. So control V. So we will paste this over here, control V. Okay, and after that we will press OK. Then we will go into tools. In tools we will go into board manager, and once its download is completed, we will just write minicore, and we will just here will be a install button, and we will install minicore from here. So minicore is needed for the programming of microcontroller.